The journey of soybean oil begins here, amidst vast hectares of meticulously cultivated farmland.
Inside these pods lie the nutrient-rich beans that drive a multi-billion-dollar industry. At peak maturity, heavy machinery harvests the crop with ruthless efficiency and speed.
Billions of beans are collected, ready to begin their transformation into refined oil.
Logistics networks transport the raw harvest to centralized processing facilities around the clock.
Upon arrival, the facility receives thousands of tons of raw material daily. Hydraulic lifts empty entire truckloads into the intake pits in a matter of minutes. Conveyor systems immediately route the cargo towards the initial cleaning stages. Vibrating screens rigorously separate field debris, ensuring only pure beans proceed. Powerful magnets remove any metallic contaminants that could damage the sensitive processing equipment. Operators monitor flow rates to maintain a consistent supply to the preparation line.
The beans are cracked into smaller fragments to increase surface area for extraction.
Steam conditioning softens the material, preparing the cellular structure for efficient oil release. Heavy rollers press the fragments into thin flakes, rupturing the oil-bearing cells. These flakes now possess the optimal surface area for the extraction phase.
The extraction plant uses a solvent wash to dissolve the oil from the solid flakes.
Solvents percolate through the material, binding with the oil to create a mixture called micella. Heat is applied to evaporate the solvent, leaving behind the crude soybean oil.
Pumps transfer the crude oil to the refining section for purification and polishing.
Centrifuges spin at high speeds to separate natural gums from the crude oil.
This degumming process significantly improves the stability and quality of the final product.
Neutralization removes fatty acids, preventing the oil from becoming rancid or bitter.
Engineers maintain precise chemical balances to ensure the oil meets food-grade standards.
Bleaching clay is introduced to absorb color pigments and residual impurities. Advanced filtration systems capture the clay, leaving the oil clear and bright.
Deodorization columns strip away volatile compounds to ensure a neutral taste and scent.
Under high vacuum, the oil cascades through trays, achieving its final refined state. Automated manifolds route the finished product to holding tanks with zero human intervention.
Robotic samplers collect distinct volumes for quality assurance testing at regular intervals.
In the laboratory, technicians inspect the oil for perfect clarity and color consistency.
Gas chromatography verifies the fatty acid profile matches strict nutritional specifications.
Physical tests ensure the oil's viscosity falls within the precise parameters required for cooking.
Acidity levels are rigorously tested to confirm the shelf stability of the batch.
On the packaging line, preforms are blown into bottles using high-pressure air.
Air conveyors transport the empty vessels to the filling station at incredible speeds.
Rotary fillers dispense the exact volume of oil into each bottle with surgical precision.
The golden liquid fills the containers, settling instantly without foaming or splashing.
Wrappers immediately seal the bottles to lock in freshness and prevent oxidation.
High-speed rollers apply branding labels, completing the retail-ready appearance.
Lasers etch batch codes onto every unit, ensuring full traceability for the consumer.
The bottling hall is a symphony of synchronization, outputting thousands of units per hour. Robotic case packers group the bottles and load them into cartons for distribution. Sealed cartons are weighed and stamped, ready for the final stage of logistics. Heavy-duty robots stack the cartons onto pallets with mathematical precision. Stretch wrappers secure the load, ensuring stability during the long transit to retailers. The warehouse holds a massive inventory, a buffer between production and global demand. Forklift operators efficiently stage the pallets for loading onto outbound distribution trucks. The final product is loaded, completing its journey from the farm to the factory gate. Doors are sealed, and the shipment is dispatched to supermarkets and kitchens worldwide.
It takes months of sunlight and rain to produce the energy stored within these beans.
Precision agriculture optimizes the harvest, minimizing waste in the field.
The demand for edible oil keeps the supply chain active 24 hours a day.
Massive silos store the raw grain, protecting it from moisture and pests until processing.
Extreme mechanical pressure can also be used to squeeze the precious oil from the flake. The remaining solid meal is toasted and dried, becoming a valuable high-protein animal feed. The transformation from crude extract to refined oil is visually striking. Heat exchangers recover energy throughout the plant, making the refining process efficient.
Even the materials used for processing undergo strict quality control checks.
Packaging durability is tested to ensure the bottle survives the rigors of transport. Accumulation tables manage the flow, preventing bottlenecks in the high-speed line. Drivers navigate the towering aisles with practiced skill and speed. From the industrial plant to the home kitchen, the product is now ready for use. As the sun sets, the facility continues its work, feeding the world one bottle at a time.